Good morning, friends. Sheila here with Home Market Models and Trailer Builders. Back at our job site today, Coffee and Construction, episode 27 in Arcadia. They're making some really good progress. I'm excited to show you again today. You can see the sidings going in on the house. We have our little dog door, has a frame around it. Spots where our lights are going to be on the back of the house. Have frames so that the back plate can set flat against the house. Oh, wow, it's just gonna look so good. We've got our electrician inside. He's still working away, working hard on this project. There's a lot of electrical to be done, and he's getting her done. Front door went in yesterday. I know you got to see that. That was awesome. Friends, for this quick video, Coffee and Construction, episode 27 in Arcadia. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.